Hello, VIP Club. I got a box today and I wanted to show y'all. I have been waiting to get my launch party host rewards before I ordered stuff from Jordan Essentials because, you know, it's a money thing. But my box came in today. And I want to show y'all what I got. I am really excited because I finally got the rest of the hair care to try out. And I pinched the little, this is shampoo conditioner. I got the moisturizing shampoo, not the daily shampoo because I don't wash my hair every day. They come with a little seal on it. I'm not going to take that one off just yet, but I did take it off of the shampoo because I wanted to smell it, and it smells, I almost held it out so y'all could smell it. Can you smell it? It is not a very strong smell. It's kind of a faint, not really cocoa butter sunscreen, but slightly cocoa butter. I mean, it is coconut lime. I didn't catch any lime scent at all, but a very faint coconut. I also got the scalp scrub, which I have been trying on the sample, so I'm excited now to have a full container of this. I'm sure it's got a seal on it also. So the scalp scrub, it looks kind of weird. It's, you know, you've used scrubby products before, exfoliator, things like that. And it's got kind of a, let me see, I try not to spill it. So I scraped most of it off the top, but let me see if I can get it to focus on that. Will you focus, please? No? Well, you can see it's kind of speckled. It's got some, maybe it's walnut shells. That's what most exfoliator things have in them. Let's see if I can see. I should have looked at all this before, huh? Let's see. I don't know what the little beady things are made out of. Yeah, it's got walnut shells in it. Rosemary, peppermint, lots of good stuff. But I have been using from my sample that I received, and it's incredible. I mean, it's time for me to wash my hair again. I've been kind of putting it off because I've been waiting to get this package, so I'm really excited that I've got this in. So tonight when I shower, I'm going to scalp scrub. I'm going to use the shampoo and conditioner. Yay! So I'm excited about that. I got keep those out in case I need to. I got some of the deodorant because I've been trying aluminum-free deodorants for a while, and you know, I'm 51. I have to keep going back to the other stuff. So I'm going to be trying this. I got the lavender eucalyptus scent just because I like that, and I got the Spritz Your Pits also. And I already had the charcoal soap, and in we have a bundle that includes Spritz Your Pits, the resistance scent of deodorant, and the charcoal soap, because that bundle is the armpit detox bundle. So the charcoal soap is supposed to help draw out the impurities out of your system, and then these two are both types of deodorant. So I don't know which one I'm gonna like best. I may alternate between the two and see which ones work best for me. I also, since I was closing a party and I had 8 or more customers placing orders on my party, thank you very much to those who did. So I got this big bottle. That's bigger than, well, maybe it's the same size as the other bottles I had. I feel like it's bigger. It feels fatter than the other bottles I had. Let me see if I have, oh, yes, it is. Because this is the bottles I had before, and this is the new bottle. Woohoo! So I haven't had the peppermint in a bottle. I just had the unscented and the Copacom. So I got this for free since I had 8 or more people ordered on my party. So thank you very much. Okay, so I got that. And then finally, I was afraid I wasn't going to get this. But I finally got the May Joyful Jordan box. And I really needed the May Joyful Jordan box because it's the insect repellent. I get so eaten up. I'm probably going to regret that I only got one because I feel like this is probably not going to last all summer, as many bugs as we have. So the Joyful Jordan box comes, it's always got a little card in it that for the month, and it tells you what's in the box. And sorry, this was May box, you can't get this, but I have a sneak peek of the June box that I earned because of all your people ordering on my party. So it's got these little packing peanuts in it, so I'm trying not to spill, and of course I did. Okay, this is what I need right now, is the soothing stick. I'm going to compare, we have some other soothing sticks on the website. I'm going to compare them to this and see if they're the same product with just different labeling, because I've noticed that we have several different charcoal soaps on the website. I just took the protective thing off, and they're all the same. They're just packaged different. So I'm going to check the ingredients and see if this is the same as the other stuff that we can still get on, because all right, here's one. I get so eaten up by chiggers and mosquitoes. I can't show you all those because if y'all have chiggers, you know they get in places where it is very inconvenient, and you can't scratch them because they're like not appropriate places to be scratching in public. So I'm going to be like smearing this all over my body, and hopefully it works well for me, and the other stuff on the website hopefully will be the same. So I'm excited to try these. This is the same thing, just in a little travel size. You can still get the travel size in this week's Weekly Wow, which includes the candle, the lotion bar, and this travel size. I do have, I have one of the candles. Carrie pointed out she wished it was bigger. Yeah, I agree. I burned mine for just a little bit the other day, and then I blew it off, and it's still making the aroma of the lemon eucalyptus, which is what repels the mosquitoes. So you don't necessarily have to have it lit the whole time. Sorry, I'm shaking it so much. You don't necessarily have to have it lit the whole time, but these are currently available right now on the website. This Bug Away spray is only in the bundle with the candle and the lotion bar. I don't have one of the lotion bars. But you can buy the candle by itself, and you can get the lotion bar by itself. But as far as the Bug Away spray, it's gone except for in the Weekly Wow bundle until Sunday. And then it's gone too. So I smell the lemon eucalyptus. It smells similar to a citronella. This has lemon eucalyptus and peppermint in it. And I could probably use a whole gallon of this. So I'm a little sad that they only have this in June. I'm hoping maybe it'll come back some. I don't know. I'm brand new, so I don't know how all this works. Okay, so that's what was in my Hostess Rewards box that I got. And there's one other box. Where's that other box? It's not here yet. There was something else that was supposed to come with it. But now I can show you, hang on. Since it is June 1st, I did get to pre-order the Joyful Jordan box for just $5 because all of y'all ordering it on my party made me eligible for that. So I got a sneak peek of June, and since today is June 1st, I can show you. June 1st in 1963 is the day that my parents got married. My mom is no longer with us, but it's still, I will always think of them for June 1st. So here is this box of awesomeness for the month of June. You can get this box. Here's the little card. It says, "The promise of a summer day with my loved ones, I am joyful." Joyful Jordan. And the little card tells you about the things that are inside the box. I know it's all backwards. We have Cuke Craze Spa Polish Exfoliant. Go crazy for a glowing, fresh complexion with face polish packed with the goodness of cucumber and natural ingredients. Pulverized cosmetic grade walnut shells exfoliate and leave the skin soft and even toned. Use a small amount to the hand and apply in a circular motion. Rinse clean. Use weekly. Also in the box, in this summer fresh theme we're having, cucumber melon shea butter, shea body butter. So I guess you can use it as hand cream or body lotion. I don't know. I don't usually use this kind of stuff. Let's see, what does it say? Rich, thick shea body butter helps eliminate dull, dry, and damaged skin by replenishing much needed moisture and hydrating and protecting the driest skin. Use all over your body, elbows, knees, anywhere that needs extra moisture. Ingredients are carefully selected and lovingly blended in fresh batches in the heartland of America. If you hadn't heard that yet, the products are made in the United States in I don't know how to say that, in Missouri. The name of the town is Nixa. I don't know. And then we also have a mineral sun stick, SPF 30. So this is the same type of thing as the soothing stick and the Renew stick I don't have with me right now. The lip balm that you may have gotten all comes in the stick like this. But this one is mineral sunscreen, basically. Yeah. Broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. Made in the USA. Okay, so that is your June Joyful Jordan box, which is $29, I believe. And the retail value of the Joyful Jordan box usually is between $40 and $52. I think the Bug Away box was the most expensive value. The boxes are always $29, but I think that had the highest retail value. So, Joyful Jordan. If you want more information about Joyful Jordan, let me know. It is a subscription box, but you can order an individual box without a subscription. You can also order, like, if you really like this box and you want to stock up on it, which I probably should have done with this one, you can order however many boxes you want. You can make it a subscription so that you get a new box every month and try out different products that way if you want to. Or you can just buy a single box at discount, because $29 with the, I don't know what the retail value of June is. I should have looked that up too. I was just excited to open my box. So I will let y'all know how this hair care goes. This is what I am most excited to try, since I've already tried the scalp scrub and I love the scalp scrub. After that, well, I need this stuff, but then the deodorant is, I'm also excited to try that. In fact, one thing I don't like is these sticky tags, how they don't come off easy. And then they leave sticky residue. Does anybody else hate sticky residue on your, when you have to pull a tag off? it is not white. It's kind of clear-ish. That's not what I expected. I expected to see a white. And it's softer than I expected. I'm looking forward to trying this. I want to put it on right now, but I don't want to do it on camera. So I'm going to let y'all go and put on some deodorant.